Good day, children. Sai Ram. How are you all? Fine? Very good. Welcome to our Value Education class. In previous period, which story did Gyani Dadaji tell you? Do you remember which story did Gyani Dadaji tell you? Come on, tell me. Yes, story of the honest farmer. Do you remember the story? Yes. So it was a story of the honest farmer. So today also Gyani Dadaji is going to tell you a new story. It is a religious story. Which is the story? It is about Rameshwaram. It is about Rameshwaram. So children, listen carefully. Rameshwaram is a small island situated towards the southern tip of our country. Here we find the famous temple of God Rameshwara. So Rameshwaram is a small island. Small island means a piece of land surrounded by water. Island means a piece of land which is surrounded with water. So Rameshwaram is a small island. And where it is situated? It is situated towards the southern tip. Southern tip means in south of India. That is in Tamil Nadu. So this Rameshwaram is in Tamil Nadu. Here we find the famous temple of God Rameshwar. So there is a famous temple of God Rameshwar in Rameshwaram. Okay? It is a large and beautiful temple. It has the longest temple corridor in the world. Here the God is in the form of a linga. So it is a large and beautiful temple. This temple is very big in size, and it is very beautiful. It has the longest temple corridor. Means it is the longest temple corridor. Corridor means large passage. So this temple has got large passage. Here the God is in the form of linga. So in this temple the God is in the form of linga. Linga means image or sign of God, Lord Shiva. Sri Rama installed this linga. So the God is called Rameshwara. Sri Rama became blessed by worshipping this lingam before going on a war against Ravana, as well as while returning from Lanka. So Sri Rama installed this linga. Installed means placed or fixed this linga. So who installed this linga or who placed this linga? Sri Rama. So the God is called Rameshwar. That is why the God is called Rameshwar. Sri Rama became blessed by worshipping this lingam. So Rama was blessed by worshipping this lingam before going on a war against Ravana, as well as while returning from Lanka. There are many holy tirthas in and around the temple. It is said that Sri Krishna also bathed here and earned God's blessings. Setu is another name for Rameshwaram. So there are many holy tirthas. Tirthas means a place where there is well, pond, lake, river or sea. The waters of which are considered to be holy. Okay, so there are many holy tirthas in and around the temple. It is said that Sri Krishna also bathed here and earned God's blessings. Setu is another name for Rameshwaram. So what is the other name for Rameshwaram? Setu. Setu is the other name for Rameshwaram. People go to Rameshwaram on pilgrimage. They bring Ganga Jal from Kashi and bathe God Rameshwara with it. The Ramlinga in Rameshwaram is one of the 12 Jyotirlingas of India. Now the people go to Rameshwaram on pilgrimage. Pilgrimage means long journey to some sacred place as an act of religious devotion. So many people go to Rameshwaram on pilgrimage. And what do? They bring Ganga Jal from Kashi. From Kashi they bring Ganga Jal. And what do? They bathe God Rameshwara with it. So they bathe Rameshwara with Ganga Jal. The Ramlinga in Rameshwaram is one of the 12 Jyotirlingas of India. So the Rameshwaram is one of the 12 Jyotirlingas of India. Do you know what are the 12 Jyotirlingas of India? Do you know the names? Yes? You all don't know. So I am going to tell you. Listen carefully. I will tell the 12 Jyotirlingas name. Somnath, Mallikarjuna, Mahakaleshwar, Omkareshwar, Trambakeshwar, Vaidyanath, then Kedarnath, Kashi Vishwanath, Bhima Shankar, Krishneshwar, Nageshwar and Rameshwar. So these are the 12 Jyotirlingas of India. Okay, among these 12 Jyotirlingas, Rameshwaram is also one of these Jyotirlingas. Okay. Now children, Gyani Dadaji has finished telling us the story. Now I will be asking you few questions. So be ready to answer the questions. Let us start. What is Rameshwaram famous for? What is Rameshwaram famous for? Rameshwaram is famous for temple of God Rameshwara. Rameshwaram is famous for temple of God Rameshwara. Okay, we'll move to the next question. Why is the god called Rameshwara? Why is the god called Rameshwar? Sri Rama installed this linga, so the god is called Rameshwara. Who installed this linga? Sri Rama. So Sri Rama installed this linga, so the god is called Rameshwara. Okay. Who was blessed by worshipping this lingam? Who was blessed by worshipping this lingam? Yes, tell me. Sri Rama was blessed by worshipping this lingam. Sri Rama was blessed by worshipping this lingam. Next one. What is another name for Rameshwaram? What is another name for Rameshwaram? Can anyone tell me? What is the other name for Rameshwaram? Yes. Setu is the another name for Rameshwaram. Setu is the another name for Rameshwaram. What do the people bring from Kashi and why? What do the people bring from Kashi and why? Yes, do you remember? People bring Ganga Jal from Kashi to bathe God Rameshwar with it. People bring Ganga Jal from Kashi to bathe God Rameshwar with it. Now we are going to do the activity. Let's fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks and then complete the puzzle. So here you have to first complete the blanks and then after I'll show you the puzzle. And that answer what you are getting in the blank space, that answers you are going to write in that puzzle. Okay? So fill in the blanks and then complete the puzzle. So the first one. Famous temple of God dash is in Rameshwaram. So which famous temple of God is there in Rameshwaram? Yes, Rameshwara. So famous temple of God Rameshwar is in Rameshwaram. Number 2. The temple of Rameshwaram has the longest dash. What is the temple of Rameshwar is as the longest what? Yes, corridor. So the temple of Rameshwar has the longest corridor. Okay. Number 3. Dash installed the linga in Rameshwaram. Okay, who installed the linga in Rameshwaram? Sri Rama. Sri Rama installed the linga in Rameshwaram. Next one. Rameshwaram is one of the 12 dash of India. Rameshwaram is one of the 12 what? Yes, Jyotirlingas. Rameshwaram is one of the 12 Jyotirlingas of India. Now children, see the answers which you have got here, that answer you are going to write in this puzzle. Can see the puzzle? Okay. So what you are going to do? You are going to draw this puzzle in your home notebook. Okay. And you are going to write these answers. What your answers you have got in the fill in the blanks. These answers you are going to write it in this puzzle. Understood? So children, we have ended with our today's period. We will meet in the next period. Till then, have a nice day. Bye.